73. Reason is this blue line here is the Globex weekly high from last week. We got an amateur bar with a Rambo pattern, potential reversal of an amateur breakout, and this pro bar behind it is a good setup to fade. We've got cyclical support down here, and momentum is coming back in here and here. And technically that value area high long trade, it didn't violate its wiggle room. The wiggle room's about 2.5 points. Got a poor low, so it's it just has the makings of a decent bottom. I mean, it's a poor low. It means traders got a little bit too short, too quick. So at the current time, I got Delta Momentum picking back up as well. Got some shorts in here that are looking like they're going to be getting trapped here soon. So cumulative delta is definitely starting to show some signs of life to the upside. Wow, look at that, there's a nice little pop. Okay, so real nice. Hopefully price can follow with that. There's another pro bar here. There's one right here. These are up bars. That kind of concerns me because usually, that means you're kind of going short, hitting limit orders, getting swept into the fray like on my last trade. This was an up pro bar, and we sold off after that. It means they started setting limit orders, sell orders, but not this time. This is great. Okay, target set at 76. It's just weird. I don't like how that looks. We've really come off them lows with a lot of momentum, which is hopefully it's enough to carry us higher. Just need to push through. Currently trying to chew through this VWAP right here, volume weighted average price. Got the volume POC right above it at 75, so hopefully this right here, this delta momentum is enough to carry us higher. That'd be great. Forecasted high is 75. So it's nothing to really get out of a trade because of, but let's see where that was. But it's definitely something to be mindful of and aware of. So cyclical resistance. It's already printed at 74, 75 on the 1500 tip bar chart, and then this 3-8 Murray Math line is causing us a little bit of resistance, but this trade's either going to give me my 76, or it's going to be getting out at almost break even. I got my stop loss up at 73.25 with a tick. I know it's an amateur move, but I don't care right now. I want to stay in this trade. much I can get out of it without taking money off the table that's still left there. It's kind of being risk averse is something I'm trying to overcome. So there's a pro bar right there. Hopefully that's going to take us higher. Come on. They need to defend that level right there. Just came above that. 73.25. Come on. Okay, hopefully this is going to give us what we want. They can get about 74.50. That'd be awesome. So we're going to get cyclical resistance on the 2000 tick bar chart. I pay a lot more attention to those than I do the ones that print on the 1500 tick bar chart. But we've got some trap shorts in here. Look at all these guys. That's what got me nervous a little bit too, but we're actually chewing above that. So these guys, if their intention was to go short, I mean, that could be something else. I don't know. They could be taking up positions to, you know what? I'm thinking volume POC, forecasted high, and the POC, current POC, is at right at that 74 area. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about maybe taking it off at 75, but if we can break through this resistance, then that's going to be positive. $74.25, we just moved it down. Just made the decision. Just didn't like. We're going to get cyclical support to print, our resistance to print on 2000 tick bar chart. We got Murray math line here. I don't know. A couple of bearish divergence signals. I think this guy was having a difficult time chewing through that. And what kind of really made my mind up was that we haven't been able to get through 75. You know, these forecasted highs and lows are based off of the VIX close on a 30-minute bar and the open of the new period. And somehow there's a calculation that comes up with a forecasted high and low for the period. So when there's not a lot of volatility, like right now, and not a whole lot of confidence, these lines actually hold true pretty good. When they get broke, it's a clue. And we broke the previous period's forecasted low, which was 74. We broke through that, and it's just something to carry forward as a just another data point to add into the that makes up the context. So I'm feeling even better about this exit. 74, okay, you can't see it, but 75, well, you can see right here, let's tag. 75 is a cyclical resistance on a 2000 tick bar chart. So now I got forecasted high, volume POC, developing value area high, and a cyclical resistance printed at 75, and 74.75 printed on the 1500 tick. So to me, I'm happy with taking, I think that was 1.25 points out of this. Yes, 1.25. Oh wow, here we go. Looks like they're gonna start taking it down. This is a sign of weakness. This yellow bar. Weakness in terms of trying to take price any higher for at least temporarily. So I'm cool with that.